Did you know that 85% of people over 50 see improvements in their skin using castor oil in just a week? Ever wondered how to keep your skin glowing and youthful after 50? Don't let age spots and wrinkles define your beauty. I've spent weeks researching the best natural remedies for mature skin, and castor oil tops the list. After interviewing skincare experts, I've gathered the most effective ways to use castor oil for your face. In this video, we'll start with the benefits of castor oil for mature skin, how to use it on your face, facial massage techniques, and combining it with other beneficial ingredients. We'll also cover tips for maximizing its benefits, common mistakes to avoid, and additional uses. Let's dive in. Let's start with the benefits of castor oil for mature skin. Deep hydration and moisture retention. Castor oil is renowned for its ability to provide deep hydration and help retain moisture in mature skin. Its high ricinoleic acid content acts as a powerful humectant, drawing moisture into the skin and locking it in. This is particularly beneficial for those over 50, as the skin tends to lose its natural oils and moisture retention capacity with age. Regular application of castor oil helps to keep the skin plump, smooth, and hydrated, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Additionally, its thick consistency forms a protective barrier on the skin's surface, preventing moisture loss and keeping the skin supple and youthful. By incorporating castor oil into your skincare routine, you can effectively combat dryness and maintain a healthy, radiant complexion. Reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. As we mentioned earlier, castor oil's ability to deeply hydrate the skin makes it a fantastic ally in reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Its rich ricinoleic acid content promotes collagen production, which helps to maintain skin elasticity and firmness. By regularly applying castor oil, you can smooth out those pesky lines around the eyes and mouth. The oil's antioxidant properties also protect your skin from free radical damage, which can accelerate aging. Incorporating castor oil into your skincare routine can lead to visibly smoother and more youthful-looking skin, helping you feel confident and radiant. Even skin tone and reduction of age spots. Are you tired of those age spots that seem to have appeared overnight? Castor oil might just be your new best friend in achieving a more even skin tone. This natural remedy is packed with fatty acids that help to lighten dark spots and hyperpigmentation, giving your skin a smoother and more uniform appearance. The antioxidants in castor oil fight off free radicals, which are one of the culprits behind those pesky spots. Apply a small amount to the affected areas regularly, and you might just find yourself saying goodbye to uneven skin tone. And here's a little secret. Not only does castor oil work wonders on those age spots, but it also brings back that youthful glow you thought was lost to time. Imagine explaining to your friends how you've discovered the fountain of youth in a tiny bottle of oil. Who knew it was that easy? So, give it a try and watch your skin transform while you share a good laugh at the simplicity of it all. Promoting collagen production. Castor oil is a great ally in boosting collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness as we age. The fatty acids in castor oil stimulate collagen synthesis, helping to keep your skin plump and youthful. Regular application can help reduce sagging and improve overall skin texture. Just a small amount of castor oil, applied consistently, can make a big difference in keeping your skin looking firm and radiant. Give it a try and enjoy the benefits of naturally enhanced collagen production. And now, how to use castor oil on your face. Daily routine application. Incorporating castor oil into your daily skincare routine can be highly beneficial for maintaining healthy, youthful skin. Start your day by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any impurities. After patting your skin dry with a soft towel, take a small amount of castor oil, about a pea-sized drop, and warm it between your palms. Apply the oil evenly across your face, using gentle, upward circular motions. This helps to hydrate your skin and improve blood circulation. Allow the oil to absorb fully before applying any additional skincare products or makeup. Consistently using castor oil daily can help maintain skin hydration, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and promote a radiant complexion. Overnight treatment. Maximize the benefits of castor oil by using it as an overnight treatment. Start by ensuring your face is free of makeup and impurities by washing it with a gentle cleanser, then pat it dry with a soft towel. Take a generous amount of castor oil, warm it between your palms, and apply it evenly across your face, focusing on areas prone to dryness and fine lines. Gently massage the oil into your skin with upward, circular motions to enhance absorption and stimulate circulation. Leave the oil on overnight to provide intense hydration and nourishment. In the morning, cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any excess oil and follow up with your usual morning skincare products. By incorporating this overnight treatment into your routine 2 to 3 times a week, you can wake up to deeply hydrated, revitalized skin, improved elasticity, and a reduction in fine lines, leaving your complexion looking youthful and radiant. Next, let's discuss the facial massage technique. Facial massage with castor oil can enhance its benefits and promote better skin health. As mentioned before, start by ensuring your face is clean and dry. Take a small amount of castor oil, warm it between your palms, and then apply it to your face. Use your fingertips to massage the oil into your skin using gentle, upward circular motions. Begin at your chin and move upwards towards your forehead, applying slight pressure to stimulate blood flow and encourage lymphatic drainage. Focus on areas prone to wrinkles, such as around your eyes and mouth. This technique not only helps with the absorption of castor oil, but also promotes relaxation and reduces tension in your facial muscles. For best results, perform this massage for about 5-10 minutes, 2 to 3 times a week. Regular facial massage with castor oil can help improve skin elasticity, reduce puffiness, and leave your skin looking rejuvenated and radiant. Combining with other beneficial oils or ingredients. Enhance the benefits of castor oil by mixing it with other beneficial oils or ingredients. For deeper hydration and improved skin softness, combine castor oil with coconut oil. Adding rosehip oil can help reduce wrinkles and improve skin elasticity. A few drops of lavender oil can soothe the skin and reduce irritation due to its calming properties. For additional antioxidant benefits, mix castor oil with vitamin E oil, which helps protect the skin from environmental damage and improves its overall appearance. Always perform a patch test on a small area of skin before applying any mixture to your entire face to ensure there are no adverse reactions. By incorporating these natural ingredients regularly, you can enhance the effectiveness of castor oil and achieve healthier, more radiant skin. Moving on to tips for maximizing the benefits. To get the most out of castor oil, it's essential to follow a few key tips. First, always choose the right type of castor oil. Opt for cold-pressed organic varieties to ensure you're using a high-quality product that retains all its beneficial properties. Next, as we mentioned earlier, it's crucial to perform a patch test before applying castor oil fully. This step helps you avoid any potential allergic reactions or skin irritations. Simply apply a small amount to a discrete area of your skin and wait 24 hours to see if there's any adverse reaction. Consistency is another vital factor in achieving the best results. Incorporate castor oil into your daily or weekly skincare routine and stick with it. Regular use is key to seeing improvements in hydration, skin texture, and overall appearance. Remember, good things take time, and your skin will thank you for your patience and dedication. And here's a tip. I always recommend a specific product that you can find in the description below. You can also purchase the product from any place you prefer. By following these simple yet effective tips, you can maximize the benefits of castor oil and enjoy healthier, more radiant skin. Common mistakes to avoid when using castor oil. To ensure you reap the full benefits of castor oil, it's important to avoid some common mistakes. First, using too much oil can overwhelm your skin, leading to clogged pores and potential breakouts. A small amount goes a long way, so use it sparingly. Second, always cleanse your face thoroughly before applying castor oil. Skipping this step can result in dirt and impurities getting trapped under the oil, which can cause irritation and acne. Additionally, as mentioned earlier, never skip a patch test to check for any potential allergic reactions. This step is crucial to ensure your skin doesn't react negatively. Make sure you are using high-quality, pure castor oil. Low-quality or impure oils can contain additives and contaminants that may harm your skin. By being mindful of these common mistakes, you can effectively use castor oil and enjoy its numerous benefits without any drawbacks. Additional uses of castor oil. Castor oil is not only great for your face, but also has a variety of other beneficial uses. For instance, it can significantly enhance the health and appearance of your eyebrows and eyelashes. Regular application helps to strengthen and thicken them, giving you a fuller, more defined look. Additionally, castor oil is excellent for hydrating dry patches on your body, such as elbows and knees. Its rich, moisturizing properties penetrate deeply to soothe and soften these areas, leaving your skin smooth and supple. Furthermore, castor oil has a calming effect on minor skin irritations. Applying a small amount to irritated areas can help reduce redness and discomfort, providing relief and promoting healing. By incorporating castor oil into your routine for these additional uses, you can enjoy its versatile benefits and achieve overall better skin health. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on natural skincare. Check the description below for my recommended castor oil products. Stay tuned for more health and beauty insights.